Alright, fun video. This is the tape challenge for Peppa. We're going to open the door and Peppa's going to be behind the door and we're going to see what she does with this tape. She's going to jump over it or just plow straight through it.
So, what do you think she's going to do?
I think she's going to plow straight through it.
She's either, maybe...
I don't think she's going to jump. This is the lowest level. This is the first level that we're going to start with. So let's see how she does.
I think she's going to sniff at it.
Alright, do you want to open the door? So go to the right side. Hey Pep, you ready?
Come on,
let's go!
You got it right?
I think I got that one. Did you see her stop? She just stopped. She tried climbing over, but...
Good girl, you did well.
Round 2. Second level. Okay, you ready, Pep?
Come on, Pep, let's go.
Let's go, Pep.
Come on, Pep.
Come on, Pep, you can do it.
Come on.
You can do it.
Let's see.
Jump over, come on. Let's go.
She knows this.
Let's go, Pep.
Oh.
Straight through it. Straight through. You're not even going to try attempting to jump. Nope. I'm a bulldog. I don't do jump.
It's because she saw it.
Okay, round 3. See how she does this. She's just going to walk straight through it, isn't she?
Are you ready, Pep? Pep, let's go. Come on, Pep.
This is the toughest level, Pep. You're going to get peanut butter. Come on, Pep.
Oh, that was too quick.
Good girl, Pep. Good girl. Plow straight through it. Who needs to jump?
Why? When you can just go through it.
Good girl.
That's what a bulldog is for. Hey, just to go bulldoze it.
Okay, challenge 2. I'm going to push Pep into the wall, and if she holds her hands up and protects her head from the wall, then it means that she's flat. Okay, Pep, you ready?
What do you think?
Watch the wall, Pep. You ready? Watch the wall. Pep, you have to use your hands to protect.
Okay.
Come on.
Second go.
Pep, okay, one more go. What's the wall, Pep? You have to use your hands.
Another one.
Right,
One more.
let's do it this way.
Do another way.
See,
See, she's
Pep, look.
she's actually.
Oh.
That's her way.
Okay, Pep, come on, protect yourself.
You hear that thud? Come
Protect
on,
yourself.
come on, Pep. You can do it.
Okay, one last go, Pep. Come on, you can do it. Use your hands. You can do it. Yay!
I guessed.
Yeah!
After the 4th go.
You are smart. After 4 times, you're smart.
4th time lucky, eh?
Just jump. Alright, on to the next test. Challenge number 3. Call your dog's name and completely ignore her. So she's already sat here anyway, so I'm just gonna call her. Pep! Pep! Where are you, Pep? Peppa! Where's Peppa? Pep! 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 Where are you? Pep! Peppa! Peppa-cita! Pep! Pep! Hey, Pep! Hey, Pep! Pep, is that you? Pep, where are you? Pep! Pep! You coming, Pep? Come on, Pep! You give up, Pep. Did you give up?
You confused.
Okay. Challenge number 4. I'm going to pay all my attention to this minion and completely ignore Peppa to see what she does.
See how this goes.
Hello. Hello, Minion. Hello, Minion. My Minion. It's my Minion. My Minion.
The tail's still wagging.
My Minion.
She wants to get in the way.
It's my Minion.
Are you not liking that, Pep? I'm sure she just farted. It's like, what was that yellow thing, Pep?
My Minion. My Minion.
Oh,
Mine. My Minion.
it's like, why are you ignoring me? How dare you? Oh my gosh. Imagine if that was another dog. Here she goes. Right, she's won.
Alright, you got me. You got me. You got me. You won. You won.
She's looking at it. Look, she wants to get it.
What's gonna happen?
I know.
Do you want the Minion back?
She's gonna
No,
destroy
you're
it.
not allowed. You're not gonna destroy it.